Welcome to Crewe Seat. Today we have a Seat Toledo 1 litre TSI XCELLENCE finished in Reflex silver. Features on the car include full LED headlamps and daytime running lights, front parking sensors and front fog lights. As part of the excellent spec, the vehicle is fitted with 17-inch alloy wheels, indicators built into the mirror housing. The car features a fantastic specification and also comes with privacy glass as well. There's parking sensor at the rear and the Seat badge doubles as the boot handle, giving a large loading space, and also the benefit of the spare wheel on the back. Cavernous boot area. Car seats 5 in total. Has huge leg room in the back. 4 electric windows. Electric heated mirrors. Other multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. There's also keyless start and keyless entry. The car's covered just over 6,900 miles. Has a large touchscreen media display with DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming, hands-free calls, satellite navigation and traffic updates. There's also digital climate control and storage at the front with an armrest and 12-volt power source and sensor. If you'd like any further details or to book a test drive, please ask for Patrick here at Crewe Seat. The number is 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.